Welcome to 1045 Riverview Crescent, a beautiful corner property with a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home situated within the desirable Rougemount neighborhood of West Pickering. Mature trees, evergreens, and perennial gardens enhance the natural curb appeal of the home, and stone interlocking walkways lead to the backyard as well as to the front entrance and its circular terrace. The glass-paneled entry door opens into a tiled foyer which welcomes you into a main level with generously sized principal rooms, all finished with the warmth of hardwood flooring. To the left are the open-concept entertaining spaces of the living and family rooms. Natural light streams through a west-facing bay window as well as an east-facing window, both complete with California shutters. Surrounding these windows are feature walls, their darker shades a striking accent to the bright, fresh decor, and the sunken family room additionally features 2 pot lights highlighting a brick fireplace painted white to blend with the modern aura of the space while retaining the traditional warmth of wood with its mantel shelf. Newly installed engineered hardwood flooring flows throughout the stunning kitchen area, its adjacent formal dining room, and the main hall, with these spaces brightened by a combination of classic ceiling light fixtures, pendant lights, as well as pot lighting. The dining room has an elegant set of French doors as an entry off the main hall, and its large bay window allows for diffused natural lighting. The custom gourmet kitchen showcases gorgeous traditional cabinetry with crown moldings, some glass-paneled accent doors, a plate rack, as well as incredible storage including a pantry. While the fridge, oven with smooth surface cooktop, built-in dishwasher and microwave, as well as the double-wide undermount sink, add the sleek, modern coolness of stainless steel. Valance lighting highlights the stone-tiled backsplashes, while finishing this outstanding work and family gathering space is a center island, as well as stone countertops with a raised breakfast bar along the peninsula, and there is also the added storage convenience of a pantry closet. The sliding door walkout opens onto a deck in the east-facing side yard, with the deck itself surrounded by privacy walls, while a seasonally lush shade tree and tall, mature hedges provide additional privacy. The main level also features a coat closet in the foyer, with its flooring continued into a powder room with a contemporary vanity, as well as into the laundry room, which has additional closet storage, a washer and dryer, access to the double-car garage, and a walkout to access the side yard. Curving gracefully to the upper level is a newly stained hardwood staircase with the classic accent of painted white spindles, and this level showcases hardwood flooring throughout, 4 spacious bedrooms, and 2 washrooms. The secondary bedrooms all have good-sized windows with California shutters, as well as double closets, with the 3rd and 4th bedrooms having west-facing exposures, while the 3rd bedroom enjoys additional natural light through a second south-facing window. The 2nd bedroom has an east-facing exposure, its window also allowing for backyard views, and is adjacent to the main 4-piece washroom. Beautifully appointed, this washroom features upgraded floor and wall tiles, a bath area with soaker tub and a rainfall shower head, as well as a contemporary vanity with stone counter. And for convenience, the linen closet is just outside its entry door. A cool color palette and contemporary finishes paired with richly stained hardwood flooring gives the master suite an aura of warmth and sophistication. Featuring a west-facing bay window with California shutters, pot lighting, a built-in wardrobe with opaque and mirrored paneled sliding doors, as well as floating storage cubbies that blend in with an accent wall. This exceptional personal space is complemented with a spa-like ensuite washroom showcasing upgraded tiles throughout, pot lighting, an oversized walk-in shower with a river rock floor, rainfall, and handheld shower heads, as well as a gorgeous contemporary vanity with an upgraded light fixture, undermount basin, and a mirror with a toiletry ledge. Bringing additional living space to the home, the lower level showcases a very generously sized recreational area finished with laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, offers lots of storage, and also has a rough-in for a future washroom. Within the catchment area of Frenchman's Bay Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools for their French immersion programs, and situated in a neighborhood that backs onto the lush, natural setting of Rouge National Urban Park, this home is minutes from shops and services for everyday conveniences, and is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.